everyone, Ozzy here again on the Opulent Life. Hope you guys are staying safe and self-quarantining yourself. In the meantime, I'm still just doing shopping just to show you guys some cool new unboxings, keep you guys entertained during these tough times. So here I am again with another fine piece. And you guys might be, well, you guys have probably read the title. This is a watch. It is the Longines Hydroconquest diver style watch in 39 millimeters, which we will soon unbox. And I just got this in the mail, very excited, wanted to share it with you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Alright, so we're finally rid of all the carton stuff, and as you guys know, previously I bought my Movado Museum Classic from Joma Shop. I was very satisfied with the purchase, so I went with Joma Shop again this time. Got a great deal on this. Retail on this watch is around $12.75. I got it for, as you can see, $826 using their $20 off coupon from $846. It was already reduced to $846, but adding the coupon and the fast shipping made it free shipping. In St. Emir in Switzerland. Since then, they've been making quality watches, and right now, currently, they are part of the Swatch Group, which makes watches from all the way from basic end watches from Swatch all the way up to Blank Pine, and it also encompasses brands like Omega, Rado, Tissot, Mido, and Longines is part of it. So, it has a lot of heritage, backed by a strong company. They make solid watches, and that's why I went for it. I really like this watch, as you guys will see. So yeah, so let's put the user manuals to the side now. Okay. And let's go ahead and see. Here we go, guys. Wow, look at that. Very nice box over here. It has some very nice lining. It has wood lining over here that on the Longines part, which is very immaculately finished. Really like that. Nice touch. Has its original tag on there, the price. You can see it has all the serial numbers on there intact too. Let me give you guys a close-up of this. I'm sure if I take this off, it'll show all of those. Okay, and this is the watch, guys. Pretty hefty, heavy watch. Let's take off all this plastic stuff. is off, which there was a lot, by the way, and just shows how well they packed their stuff. It was amazing. And so now that all that is off, I just want to show you guys a close-up. It is a beautiful looking watch, very elegant, and as you can see, it's a diver style watch, and it shows that off very proudly. It has a black dial. This is 39 millimeters, full stainless steel finish, full Swiss made. The bracelet is very nice, very classy, pretty standard. It's not something particularly unique. I have seen this bracelet before. I would have liked the bracelet to be a little bit heavier. However, the dial weight is very good. It feels very, very well made. Good quality over here. I think it's milled stainless steel, and you can see the case back. It has the Longines logo engraved on it. Very nice engraving, by the way. It looks very fantastic, and in line with all diver style watches, they did not make a see-through case back, and that's probably for water resistance reasons. And this watch goes all the way down to 300 meters for water resistance, which is very good, pretty standard for a diver's watch in this category for the Swiss made lineage. You can see on the crown here, it has the Longines logo, the classic wings with the hourglass in between, and it has Longines logo over here as well, obviously. You can see the Swiss made markers at the 6 o'clock position. It has Arabic numerals at the 6, 9, and 12 o'clock positions, date function at 3 o'clock position, and the dial is luminous. It has super luminova, rotating bezel, as you can see here. It is a rather loud sound when rotating the bezel. I would like to be a little bit less prominent, but however, it still feels very well made. This is not ceramic. This is a painted bezel. I believe the new version that they've come out with has ceramics on it. So that's definitely, if you guys are looking for that, you should probably consider it, but it's not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker for me, so I went with this one. It's sapphire crystal, by the way. Very nice finish. It's very elegantly designed, perfect everyday watch. I would not recommend using it as a beater, but there are people who have, $20,000, $30,000 watches who might consider using this as a beater, and for that, I mean, it will do the job. It's very robust and has a lot of it has strong finishing, so it will withstand pretty much anything you throw at it. You can see the classic line with Longines logo with the hourglass in the center and the wings on the side. So it may be an issue for some of you guys who like to wear their watches really tight or very loose down the wrist. When you flex your wrist up a little bit, up and down, these crown guards, as you call them, they might dip into your skin. It can be a little bit painful, but it's not an issue for me. So but something to keep in mind and be aware of. All right, let's come down back to the bracelet. Over here, the clasp is a deploying clasp with a safety notch. It is rather hard. It has a brushed stainless steel finish. You can see it has 300 meters written over here, and inside a nice detail, kind of like Longines logo, I believe, is over here. Yeah, and then it's rather hard to open up, but that's probably in line with all divers watches. You can see the Longines logo in here as well, milled stainless steel. Great finish, and it has the diver's extension in it, which means that, let's say you go diving, after you've adjusted the links, you go diving, your hand swells up, or for whatever reason your hands are swollen up in the mornings, you can open this up, and this will be your diver's extension, and then you can close the clasp, and you have some extra room here, actually quite a fair bit of room over here if you want. So that's a nice feature. I mean, it's not unique to Longines. It can be found in other watches as well, but good to have it. So you can see what I was pointing to was actually this logo over here. It is the Longines logo. It has polished metal silver accents in the center, brushed stainless steel accents on the sides over here. Some people might say the dial is a little bit busy with all the dots and the lines. I kind of like it, to be honest. It's a personal opinion. It's just my opinion that it looks nice. This is a Swiss ETA-based movement, 2824, which is the workhorse of all Swiss automatics. This is my first one. You'll see this movement in a lot of other Swiss-made automatic watches in this price point, or even higher price points actually. But it's a robust movement. It's very, very durable, very reliable, and it is, in this particular watch, it is beating at, I believe, 25,200 VPH, which is pretty good velocity actually. And the band width is 20 millimeters. It has a power reserve of 64 hours, and the dial is Super Luminova. I'll show that to you guys in a little bit. Very fantastic lume, by the way. And all right guys, the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the wrist shot of the Longines Hydroconquest 39mm, and you can see it looks pretty good. Very elegant on the wrist. Has a unique presence. It obviously looks like a diver style watch, but these days you can pretty much wear it in a casual setting, even under a suit, or a formal setting, semi-formal setting, and it can definitely work in all occasions. Just wanted to point out, guys, this is as with all diver style watches, this is a screw down crown. And also another thing I did not mention yet, if you see the second hand, it has a red marker, so it allows you to view the dial with a little bit more accuracy if you're down to the second. So that's a good feature to have. And yeah, feels very comfortable. Obviously the bracelet is a little bit light, so it will not make for a very heavy watch for everyday purposes. That's a good thing. I mean, I would prefer a little bit more weight, but this is not a bad weight to go with. And you can see the 39mm perfectly on the wrist. Guys, if you like this video, please do like it and subscribe. Follow my channel. I will be showing you guys more unboxings with more cool stuff. And feel free to mention in the comments what you would like me to review, and I will do just that. Follow me on Instagram as well. And do click on the link in the description below. It will take you to the Instagram channel, and it will also take you to the link from where I bought this watch from, which is Joma Shop. Now, again, one thing I did not mention earlier on, I have mentioned it in my Movado video. When you buy from Joma Shop, you don't get the original manufacturer's warranty from Longines. You will get a 2-year Joma Shop warranty, where they will, if there's something wrong with your watch, they will take it in and fix it by one of their own watchmakers or horologists. They will not send it to Longines. Now, if you do send it to Longines, it's not that they will reject your item, they will just charge you the full service fee. You won't be able to claim warranty-free status on it. So that's one of the few things I wanted to mention for all you guys interested in buying and saving a bunch of money like I do. I prefer to not invest too much in the warranties. I prefer to invest in the watch. If it's a good brand, technically sound, you don't need to worry too much about it. And I usually have this mindset that I will worry about the service fee when it comes to that. So right now I haven't had any problems with my previous purchases, so I'm just gonna roll with this style for now. And so guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe.